There was a window here and I blocked it up. The place was getting flooded, so the landscaper dug it out and I replaced the window with just some cinder blocks. So I'm going to show you how I did it. Now today's job, we're going to lock in that window right there, so we're going to get it out first. I'm looking at the window from here and I'm going to take it out. If I could have salvaged it, I would have gave it to someone, but I'm not going to waste my time trying to salvage it. Okay, that's it. Well, I got the window out. I'm just gonna clean this all off. The mason who put this window in did a very good job. Give the guy credit. You see how I always cement my windows in? That's exactly what he did. Now before you go mixing cement, lay it all out dry first. Make sure that everything you're going to do fits. And then you're not sitting there with cement. That's no good. See, everything fits. Now I know where everything goes, just like this. And then I start laying my cement. Now I'm using rapid set mortar mix. I just put in a little at a time for what I'm going to use. So I get my cement, I start mixing with a little water, like this. That's good to start out with. Cement all's all ready. Like I told you, if you want something to stick, you have to wet it first. That's what makes it stick. So I'm using regular water, and I wet it. Then I know that cement's going to stick.
This is not the quick mix.
Okay, a little bit on here. Ooh. Put it right in. Let me get ready. My next one.
You want them small curls that I could point that up with the narrow?
No, I get that with my hands. That's my second one. Then, put my brick in. Just like that. That's what you call roughing it in. So all I did was rough it in. But I want these blocks out even with the rest of the thing, so when I plaster it up at the end, it's all going to match. Now I'm in here on the inside of the window. I use my rubber glove because this stuff dries so quick. You probably can't see it because of the light. I want to go in here and get rid of any excess before it gets too dry. So I mixed up my second batch right here. get it in there. Maybe I'll put a little bit on top.
You want me to go inside, Mike?
If you want, there's rubber gloves there. Oh, put it in. Now, as I've been preaching to you, don't think you always have to use a trowel. Because sometimes there ain't no other way to get the cement in there. That's that one. Put it in here. And get this one in.
What are you doing on the top? Let's just fill it in with mud?
Yeah. Get this one in. Just like that. And check it. See how far you're off? Not too bad. Now, the hard part is getting up underneath here. There's no way to do it unless you use your hands. So, as long as you got a rubber glove, use your hands. That makes sense. Check it, make sure she didn't bow out. She bowed out. You gotta push her in a little bit. You have to put a shim here until it sets up. It's 100% better. That shim, just let it sit there until it holds it in. Okay, let that all set up. So now, I just want to get the bad edges off. So I got to come down and do it again. All right, that's good for right now. Now, I'm going to kind of plaster it up. You know, make it look like the rest of the building. I always tell you, I don't care what it is, you gotta wet it first. So go down here. Get that going. Like that. Now we get big spots in. This. I want to make it look pretty.
Make sure you seal that part.
Yeah.
That's where the water will leak.
Now we're just going to get the sponge. There's no holes. Now, just want to flatten out a little more, like that. And we sponge it again. Well, I waited a little while because anytime you're working with cement, you gotta wait until the timing's right. I go in a circular motion, fill in all those holes. It's gonna match the rest of the building. That's how you do. Well, we're down the cellar and you can barely see it, but got it all cleaned up here. And I just get my sponge, water, go around the whole thing, blend it all in, just like that, no holes. That's it. The landscaper came and he put all the dirt up against it the same day. Show you, this guy's a steady customer, I guess you could say. It's a patio I put in, I think 4 years ago, and we put the fire pit in. And I want you to notice something. There's not one piece of grass or nothing growing through this because I put this on concrete. So check out this video, I'll have it in the description below. I'm going to talk about that job a little bit. In the old days when you had to fill in a window, you go and you put your traditional cement on, you prop it all up, and you couldn't come back until the next day. Then it's all shrunk up, then you got to plaster it the next day and wait another day before you fill it in. But now with these new fast drying cements like Rapid Set, you can do everything. You're done in a couple hours and you're gone. And when I get my sponges from old car chairs and car seats. They're best sponges in the world. Don't buy them. But if you're going to use a fast drying cement, take a little bit and practice with it on the side to see how it works. I want to thank Rapid Set, the folks, for sending me the jacket. I really like their product, and for that kind of job, that's what I use all the time. Bigger jobs, it's a different story. So thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next time.